Question here from Taylor says reverse mount on a 604, and are there any power gains?
No, it's more convenience than anything else. I prefer everything reverse mount just because it gets everything off the front of the engine. And when you're running belt drive off the bell housing, all right, you're running belt drive off the bell housing normally as a tandem power steering fuel pump combo. I mean, that shit's always 100% positively driven. So you don't have mechanical fuel pump failures and you don't end up with, a chunk of dirt tossing a belt off and you lose power steering, shit like that.
That really brings up a great question. A lot of times we've talked about putting things on the front versus putting them on the back, and your preferences there.
But power difference wise, no, there's none.
Well, but speaking of that as well, have you found any difference by having just like rear mount power steering and using a standard mechanical pump versus the tandem route?
No. I mean, yeah, like if you're using rear mount power steering like a mechanical fuel pump, then no. I mean, there's not going to be a power difference. I just personally prefer the entire tandem unit on the back because it again eliminates any possibility of failure. Honestly,
great.